Hello guys and welcome to a new brand video. And today I'm going to show you how to add custom fields in your cards in Trello web application. So the first thing that I will need you to do now is to open your Trello website and then just connect with your Trello accounts. And if you don't already have one, just connect with your Google or Facebook or Apple accounts. Otherwise, you can just sign up with your email and create a new account. So after you successfully access to your workspace in Trello, you will need just to follow these simple steps. So the first step is to go to our board by clicking on boards, and here we will find our list of boards, and we are going to click to any board where we want to add cards. Otherwise, you can find your list of boards here in your boards section. So we click on board and here we will find your cards. So I'm going just to add a new card as an example, and I'm going to click on add card and give it example, name of example like that. And I'm just going like this. And of course, I'm going to click on it to have an extended view or more detailed view. And here we will find uh, these options here. So basically, to have a custom field, we need to click on custom field. And here we will find multiple custom fields here. So either you can add a status to your card or a priority degree or order. You can give it a risk, effort, and also you can have uh, other type of fields. So either you can add a drop-down list, you can have numbers, text, checkbox, and dates. So let's just start as with few examples here. So I'm going to give you, for example, priority. So basically here we have the custom field that is called priority, and we can give it some degrees of priority. So for example, it will be the highest, and as you can see, it will have this color so it can attract your eyes and see the priority or the intensity of this card. We can see other cards by clicking on custom field. We can add, for example, a status to our card like finished or to do, in progress, in review, etc. etc. So we can give it approved, in progress, for example, to do, done, it will be like a blue, and you will see it here in your card. Let's see another in the last custom fields, for example, this risk field. So as you can see also the risks of our card, and it is kind of similar to the priority, but it is meaning or it is expressing and showing the risk, for example, for this card. So basically, this is how you can add custom fields to your cards. Thank you for watching and see you next time.